Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. And first of all, I'd like to thank everybody for tuning into this pool series. Today I'm going to be fixing a leak. Y'all know I've been going through problem after problem with this pool. Today presented another problem in itself after y'all saw me put together the pool the correct way, like absolutely by the book. Like there's nothing that could have happened. Like at this point, I'm just thinking like this pool, the Summerways pool, is just a trash pool. I mean, I guess that's what I expected. When you get a pool out of Walmart for a good price, I guess that's what's going to happen. So today I have a leak in the pool, and it's not due to any of my mistakes. I'm guessing the same thing happened the first time, but I was thinking that I did something wrong, but apparently not. Apparently the pool is just cheap and it has holes in the bottom of the liner. So I just went around trying to search for the hole, and it's at the bottom. It's like a pinhole. Like there's nothing. I don't know how that hole could have got there. So today I'm going to show you how to fix a leak in a pool liner. I just got back from Lowe's. Got a pool liner repair patch kit. It was about $6-7 at Lowe's. You can also find them at Home Depot. You can also get them at Amazon. But I'm about to show you how to patch it. Well, I guess I know how to use it. But let me show you this patch. I'm not sure if my iPhone can record underwater. I have an iPhone, I have a 12. Yeah, I have a 12, iPhone 12. I'm not sure if I can actually record underwater, but I'll see. I think it's waterproof. All right, so the hardest part about this is actually finding the hole. So one thing I did, one thing they suggest you use food coloring. But this trick really didn't work for me. I kind of knew that it was gonna be on this side of the pool just because the outside of this side is wet. Another thing I did, I walked around. You could feel the ground underneath this side is wet. I mean, it's getting soft, as opposed to over here on this side where, you know, the ground is solid and firm. That means nothing's getting wet underneath the pool. So I already went through. I was just pouring my little food coloring over here. Nothing was really happening. I could show you guys what happens. All right, so you just pour a little drop near where you think it is. That's gonna sink down like so. But yeah, you can see it's not really telling you where the hole is at, unless there's another hole over here. I have the hole marked right here with this little pool floaty toy thing, but oh, actually I might have another. Nope, that's just the whatchamacallit. All right, so the best way to find the hole is to press down at the bottom of the pool. See, I have it marked with this yellow thing. Let me see if I can find it again. I might have lost it. I think I lost it. All right, so I just found it again. I actually have to cover it up this time. All right, so when you're going around, just press on the bottom of that, and you see how you're getting those air bubbles right there? Sometimes you see that little dirt right there? That's your hole right there. You see that cloud of dirt right there? That's where your hole is coming from. So I'm about to patch that little bad boy up, make sure I keep it covered. So I, mark my spot, and now I'm about to repair it. All right, so I'm just gonna take one of these patches here from the kit. You see I have small patches, I have a big piece of patch, I have some glue. I think I'm just gonna use these patches since it was just a little tiny pinhole. All right, so instead of using these patches, I'm actually gonna use this yellow patch that came along with the kit. This is a sticky adhesive thing on the back. And just comes with the directions, and the directions seem simple. So basically you just cut it down to the size that you need. This is the size I'm gonna use right here. It says place the patch over the center of the hole, press firmly, working out all the air bubbles from under the patch and edges. Yeah, and you just leave it there. So I'm about to just put this little patch. I mean, cause you see the pinhole is just smaller than that A, smaller than the hole in the A. That's how small it is. So I feel like this is a good size patch to work with. All right, so I just dropped my phone in the water, and that proves to me that my phone is waterproof. Now I'm about to just see if I can record underwater. Yes, I can record underwater. My phone is in the water and I'm out of the water. Can you hear me? I don't know if it records sound like that. I don't know if y'all heard me, but I was talking and my phone was underwater. That's so cool. So now you know I gotta record underwater with the patch. All right, so now Alright, so just to make sure that this is the only patch, I'm just going to sit here and watch this little puddle right here, make sure it dries up, make sure it doesn't get any worse. So yeah, that's how it's looking right now. Come back later, make sure it doesn't spread out any further. If it does spread out even further, that means I have more holes and that this pool is a piece of crap, even more than it is. So yeah. All right, so it's about 2 hours after patching the pool up, and coming back to this wet spot. You can see it's actually drying up, starting to dry up, however, because earlier there was like water collecting in this little corner area right here. So no water, that's a good sign. Yeah, it's all good. Hold on, there's a little wetness right here. What's that from? All right, I think that was from earlier. All right, so yeah, we'll just continue to keep an eye on it, and that to me is patched. Just waiting for this to dry up, basically.